jQuery is actually a JavaScript framework that enables you to write less JavaScript code, and also for you to be able to manipulate your DOM and also APIs, and when you are working with HTML elements. So this is just a simple example. This is the jQuery syntax. If you check the index.html file, so you can see we have our simple HTML in this place, and this is actually how the jQuery syntax looks like. You use this $sign as to select, as a selector, maybe a particular ID or class, and you perform an action. You attach a method to it to perform an action. So this is how you use the jQuery syntax. If you look at this, we have our HTML. You can see this HTML, and we have the body. So this is the body. Now look at it already. I will have to attach this particular script. This because we have a dependency. For us to be able to use the jQuery, you have to make sure you have this dependency. So once you have this dependency, then you could use jQuery. So this is how you can include it. Now, if you look at this, our text, we have hello world, and we also have this class now, text. So we have this class text. So we're going to be applying some jQuery on it. So now I'm just going to select this p tag using this $sign. I already showed you. Here is it. Then I apply the CSS color red. So this CSS action is actually a method in jQuery that allows you to be able to automatically add a CSS styling. So once you put .css, you can put in your styling there. Same thing too. Also, I can do here .text. Select this particular text class. I'm using the .text because this is how I'm going to use it in CSS.text. I'm now going to give it my color, and which is blue. So once you knit this now, you can see if we knit it now, you'll see we're going to be having, you see hello world, hello. You can see I already have the CSS applied. So these are the jQuery syntax looks like. It's very simple.